For thousands of years, shamans have acted as bridges between this world and others. They enter altered states of consciousness, not to escape reality, but to interact with it on a deeper level, to diagnose illness, retrieve lost fragments of the soul, and restore balance with the unseen. Shamanism is not a religion in the classical sense, but a set of practices rooted in direct experience. From Siberia to the Amazon, it's based on the belief that the world is alive, filled with spirits of animals, forests, rivers, ancestors. When something goes wrong, in the body, mind, or community, the shaman is called upon to seek answers from beyond. Their journey begins in trance, often induced by drumming, dancing, or ritual plants. The body remains still, but the mind travels, sometimes to a celestial realm, other times deep into the underworld. These places are not just symbols, but vivid inner realities shaped by culture and intention. The goal is never escape. Every journey has purpose: healing a sick child, restoring harmony after a loss, resolving a spiritual disturbance. The shaman returns with knowledge, insight, or symbolic tools that are believed to bring real-world change. One of the most mysterious aspects is the initiation. In many traditions, the shaman is not chosen by people, but by the spirits, often through a personal crisis, illness, visions, or a brush with death. These intense experiences, if integrated correctly, mark the transition from suffering to insight. Across cultures, shamans use different tools: drums, feathers, chants, totems, all aimed at shifting perception and accessing the world beyond the senses. Many describe powerful journeys where they fly over landscapes, encounter archetypal beings, or retrieve lost energy. From a scientific perspective, some researchers now explore how altered states affect brain function, trauma processing, and personal transformation. What was once dismissed as superstition is being re-examined through psychology, anthropology, and neuroscience. Today, while traditional shamans still work within their communities, many outside observers approach the topic with curiosity, not to imitate, but to understand. Shamanism is not a trend, nor a shortcut to enlightenment, but a cultural and spiritual legacy that invites respect, not replication.